Welcome back to Learn English with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's start today's English lesson together. Hi, James. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Sarah. Today we'll start part 1 of most common English words. We'll learn pronouns and some very important verbs you can use every day.
Great. Let's start today's lesson.
Let's start with pronouns. Pronouns are small words that replace names. They are I, you, he, she, we, they.
So instead of saying Sarah is happy, I can say I am happy.
Exactly! Pronouns help you speak faster and sound natural. Let's repeat them together slowly. I, you, he, she, we, they. Now one more time, louder! I, you, he, she, we, they.
Nice and simple.
Now, let's use them in sentences.
You are James. He is my friend. She is a teacher. We are students. They are happy. That's easy to remember.
Yes, but here's a small test. I'll say a sentence. You tell me which pronoun fits. I'm tired. Lax is funny.
He is funny.
Are friends.
We are friends.
Excellent. That's how we train your brain to think in English. Verbs. Now, let's learn 5 of the most common verbs in English. They are be, have, do, go, and make.
The 5 pillars of English.
Exactly. Let's start with be. I am happy. You are smart. He is tall. She is kind. We are friends. They are teachers.
So be helps describe people or things, right?
Yes, very good. Now the verb have. I have a book. You have a pen. He has a car. She has a cat. We have time. They have ideas.
I like this one. Have is everywhere.
Now do. I do my homework. You do your best. He does the dishes. She does yoga. We do our jobs. They do exercises.
That one is active. I like verbs with action.
Then go. I go to school. You go to work. He goes to the gym. She goes to bed. We go shopping. They go out together.
That's me on weekends.
And finally, make. I make a cake. You make plans. He makes breakfast. She makes mistakes. We make dinner. They make noise.
She makes mistakes. That's a funny one.
That's okay. Mistakes help us learn. Practice round 1. Now repeat after me. Say each sentence slowly and clearly. I am happy. I have a book. I do my homework. I go to school. I make dinner.
Easy so far.
Great. Now I'll say the verb and you create a sentence. Be. Have.
I have a new phone.
Go.
I go to work.
Do. Make. Excellent. Everyone at home, repeat these with us. Quiz time. Let's play a mini quiz. I'll describe something. You say the sentence in English before I do. You eat breakfast.
I have breakfast.
You clean your room.
I do the cleaning.
You prepare food. You walk to school.
I go to school.
You're tired.
I am. That was fun.
Great job. Repetition is the best teacher. It trains your mouth and memory. Practice round 2. Let's slow down and repeat twice together. I am happy. I am happy. I have a book. I have a book. I go to school. I go to school. I do my homework. I do my homework. I make a cake. I make a cake.
That's so good for pronunciation.
Exactly. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. That's how you master English. Mini scene at home.
Let's use what we learned in a small conversation.
Sure, let's go.
Hi, James. What are you doing?
Hi, Sarah, I'm cooking dinner.
Oh, nice. What are you making?
I'm making pasta.
Yum, I love pasta.
What about you?
I'm reading a book and drinking tea.
Sounds relaxing.
Yes, English, tea, and books. Perfect evening.
Great example. That's how these verbs become part of real life. Review plus challenge. Let's review what we learned today. Pronouns. I, you, he, she, we, they. Verbs. Be, have, do, go, make. Now, let's mix them in a mini challenge. I'll start. You continue. I am. I have.
A book.
I go.
To school.
I do.
My homework.
I make.
Dinner.
Perfect. You're ready to use these words in real conversations?
I'll practice every day.
And that's the key. A few minutes daily makes big progress.
If you like this lesson, hit the like button and subscribe.
And remember, every simple word is a step to fluency.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.